Well, today is another first alert weather day as we are going to continue with some of the moisture that's coming in. We'll have a lot more snow coming up to portions of the mountains. We'll continue with some of the valley rain and still continuing with some of those fluctuating snow levels as we're going to see them drop here and continue low here this morning. And then they're going to climb back up as a warm front is going to roll through and it's going to move its way northward. And that's what's going to lift a lot of those snow levels here through today. Expected to stay above 7,000 to 8,000 feet here for today. But we are going to continue to see some of the wintry weather in portions of the mountains as we'll continue with the winter storm warning, winter storm advisory, and other places further up north, as you can see in this color purple here. But this is expected here all the way through Saturday morning, as we could see a possibility of some of these snow levels staying up pretty high, and that's where we're going to see a lot more of that accumulating snow. As there's a chance, as you can see here on this box, a chance of a foot or two above 7,000 feet, and with some of the heavy snowfall that is in some of these areas, we also see a mix of some of those windy conditions there, 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and that could cause for some dicey driving conditions in some of those areas. Now, we are going to see that warm front come in along with this plume of moisture that's going to bring a lot of that rain and snow in southwest Idaho. We are also going to see another system with a cold front that comes in here through tomorrow, and that's what's going to bring in a lot of those colder temperatures in through tonight and in through tomorrow morning. But as we look at this future cast, we are expecting some of these showers to come in later on this morning. Between 7 and 8, there's a possibility that we start to see a little bit more of that start to become more widespread. And by 10 o'clock, there is a chance, as you can see here in this particular model, that we could see a little bit of some snow starting to fall all across the Treasure Valley. That will move on in through the Magic Valley, but then very quickly through the afternoon, we'll see those snow levels start to rise. Most of that sticks around as rain, and then we're going to continue to see a lot more of that in portions of the mountains start to dry out there through Boise, Mountain Home, Jerome, and Twin Falls here for this afternoon. And as we head on into Friday, we're going to expect more of those showers to come along, and then again continue to see a little bit more of that stacking up, and then moving in further east as we'll see the Magic Valley see that through Friday afternoon, and then we're going to stay mostly dry in most of those areas as we head on towards Saturday. Now, here are the snow potentials as we're going to see some of these totals as we look through Sunday, as we are going to start to see about 9 to 15 inches of snow there through Stanley, 1 to 3 there through Fairfield, around 3 to 6 out in Haley, and then again just a trace and possibly getting to about a half an inch there through Twin Falls. Now, looking at our 7-day forecast, we'll continue with some of the first alert weather conditions there through Friday, as more rain and breezy conditions will continue there to wrap up the work week. We'll see a bit of a break from some of the wet weather as we'll stay well above average, but starting to drop down into those low 40s, and then we're going to climb back up between the upper 40s and low 50s, and we'll see another chance of some more impactful weather coming Sunday and Monday. We'll continue with some of the scattered showers towards the middle of next week.
All right. Thank you, Hector.